A team of British scientists has designed a human mission to Mars. The concept mission, developed in conjunction with the BBC, envisages a 3-person crew taking a 9-month trip to the Red Planet. Neil Bardler has more.
This is how a very first human mission to Mars might just look. A modest craft just out of Earth orbit carrying a small crew. Ahead of them, a hazardous journey some 56 million kilometres in distance.
That was actually a real problem.
The concept is the work of space scientists from Imperial College London, who considered how a mission might work using existing technologies to demonstrate how we might one day put a human on Mars. And this, recreated in the BBC's virtual studio, is the interior of the craft which would take our crew on the 9-month journey to Mars. We're weightless for now, but once we're underway, the craft will start spinning, generating artificial gravity so that our muscles don't waste away. And that's important if we want to take our very first steps on the Red Planet. Then comes the descent, where a heat shield and parachutes would slow the craft as it hurtled through the thin Martian atmosphere.
Right at the last moment on entry, the legs are going to be deployed, the retro-rockets fire up, and we hope that re-entry vehicle quite gracefully descends on those retro-rockets down to the surface of Mars.
Getting home poses further dangers. The scientists suggest a return craft could be sent ahead of a human mission. Once aboard and after a final check of the systems, the crew would then power off to begin their journey home. All good in theory. Now we just need to decide if we're ever going to do it for real.